Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetable garden on soil that is very degraded, hard, no, almost no topsoil, and you don't want to wait for years until you plant plants that will work with the roots, the soil. So the hard way, that's the only way, which is carrying all the soil here that I brought from another farm that is good topsoil, and also a lot of compost containing seaweed and rock dust and things, which is this one here on the top. This is one kind, and then there is another kind. It's even richer for certain, depends what kind of vegetables you're gonna go plant. So this is the other one. So what I did is I first dug with this heavy-duty hoe, which is small, heavy, but is perfect for hard soils. All the paths, so all the sort of topsoil from all the paths have gone on top of the subsoil, like this here, in this case, and all of this too. Then on top of that, I put, just to get an idea, this little patch of about six square meters took 300 kilograms of topsoil that I brought. So imagine how much more I brought here. And all this, I did it like that. I fill up this bucket with soil. Then I put on top another bucket. I fill it with soil. Then I carry it. This is a regular cart for shopping or suitcases. And then I empty. I pick up one bucket after the other. I pick up the other one. And this is permanent, attached. And so this is how I brought all the soil here. This is how I also brought the soil to the car to fill up the containers to bring it here. So the next step is with this fork here, you make, you go like about maybe 20 or 25 centimeters. It's raw. You move it many times while you push it with your leg, so it goes really deep, maybe 10 more centimeters below. Like there is 10 the topsoil from the paths, 10 the one I brought, 20, another 10 below, that's 30 centimeters. When you lift it up, a big chunk of soil comes out. You leave it, you don't do anything, because the next step is happens with this hoe, which is very lightweight. It's like big and lightweight. So what you do is you go little by little, and you maybe up 5 centimeters at a time or less, so that all the clogs are, the clusters are broken, and then after you finish mixing like that, okay, you start first in the beginning. So you do up to here. You don't want to step on top. So you do up to here. Then you continue by doing half of it. So I can just go ahead and do only half. And then you go on the other side and you do the other half. So in that way you don't have to step on top. And after you finish, you use this tool, which is very lightweight, to just kind of even it out. And then this rake with the strange teeth to make it completely even, just like that, just like I did here. So this is not done yet, and this is done, this is done. and this is undone still to do just like the other one. So in this way, afterwards there is more to come, which is all the sides you need to cover them somehow with something. So this, because it's circular, I will put I have a lot of clay from the river, so I will make like a I will pass it all with clay to kind of prevent it from drying. And if it's straight rows, you can put planks of wood like this one here, like these ones here I did. And so this is it. The advantage of doing it all by hand is because you have full control. You find like a root of quack grass, you pull it out. If you do it with the machinery, it cuts it in 100 pieces, and there you have 100 sprouting. Or big roots, or stones, or garbage, or anything, you have full control and you see what you do. And you purposely don't want to break this smaller, because these hold the water. The roots find the good soil that's around it, and they get nutrients, and then these ones hold the humidity in the soil. So you don't want to make it smaller pieces than this. This is about 5 by 5 centimeters. It's perfect. Don't break it anything less than that. So this is it. Have a good time. Have good work. It's not, if, and another advantage is you get very healthy by doing all this physical work.